Welcome to the most exciting chapter yet, how AI can make you a creator, artist, and storyteller. Whether you doodle, write, or compose music, unlock creativity and spark new ideas. Let's dive in and unleash your creative potential. 1. Writing with artificial intelligence. Tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, draft stories, or finish that poem you started. Have writer's block? Just type a sentence and watch AI build an entire story around it. Polish your words with Grammarly or Hemingway and refine your writing style. Want your emails to sound confident or your essays to shine? Definitely AI can help you. 2. Creating art with artificial intelligence. Tools like DALL-E or Canva allow you to create beautiful images just by describing them. For example, type sunset over a futuristic city, and AI will paint your vision in seconds. Apps like Adobe Photoshop or Luminar Neo use AI to enhance your photos effortlessly. Remove that photo bomber with a single click, no design skills needed. 3. Making music with artificial intelligence. Tools like AIVA or Amper Music let you create original music tracks, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Tools like Lander or SoundRaw can remix your favorite songs or help you experiment with beats. 4. Artificial intelligence for design and animation. Platforms like Canva and Autodesk empower you to create stunning presentations and 2D/3D designs. Now you can turn a sketch into a moving character for your story. 5. Storytelling with artificial intelligence. Bring your stories to life with characters, plots, and immersive worlds using ChatGPT. Platforms like Novel AI let you co-create stories, guiding the narrative while AI adapts dynamically to your choices. 6. Video creation made easy. Tools like Descript or Lumen 5 help you create stunning videos by turning scripts into visuals. Need a promo video for your project? AI will pick the visuals, music, and transitions for you. Tools like Adobe Character Animator can bring your ideas to life, turning written scripts into engaging animations. Who knew AI could be such a powerful creative partner? You don't need to be a professional to create something amazing. Just let AI handle the heavy lifting. In the next chapter, we'll explore how AI is reshaping industries, empowering entrepreneurs, and simplifying work. Ready to build something great? Email us at info@learnova.tech.